A dream diary is a wonderful way to process emotions, overcome anxiety, prepare to lucid dream, and take a deeper dive into your psyche. ILN makes it super easy to create, maintain, and even share your dream diary with ease. To view all of your diaries, you first add the Journal Entries component by pressing the button in the top right of the screen, searching for Journal Entries, and adding it to your dashboard. Next, it's time to add your dream diary by clicking the Add Diary button from this dropdown and naming it My Dream Diary. Now, simply add your dreams by clicking the Add button on the right. For quick access to your dream diary anywhere you go, download the ILN app and add the diary to the control panel. Do this by going to your dream diary, clicking the Home button, and hitting the plus button followed by Add. ILN journals are private by nature but are easy to share. You can choose to share your entire diary with someone that you trust or simply make it public for the world to see. If you would rather just share one of your journals instead of the entire diary, the other journals will remain completely private. To change the privacy settings, simply click the lock-shaped button at the bottom of your journal and choose your preference. Pictures, drawings, and videos are also easy to add to any of your journals. Press the camera button at the bottom right of your entry while you're editing and choose a photo from your free ILN cloud storage or upload one from your computer. The extensive tools that ILN offers makes this platform perfect for your specialized dream diary. Start today by downloading the app on your phone or tablet or going to www.myiln.co, where pros go to build success.